Okay, so check it out. I've got the 4-inch caster wheels. This is a set of 4 that you're going to get. I'm going to be making a shop table, kind of like a workbench. And these are going to be awesome. They've got brakes on them, but also they're orange. That's kind of cool too. But they have these cool like mag wheels. Super awesome bearings inside because these things spin really, really good. The load is 2,200 pounds, so that's awesome. Will hold plenty of weight. Here is the lock, just like that. Let's see how strong. Oh yeah, this is really strong. This is not. Oh man, that will take a lot to turn that. They swivel really good, so that's a plus as well. So wherever you put this bench, but these are very light. They're very heavy duty and well made, but they're light as well. So anyway, you get 4 of these in the box. You also get these bolts and nuts. So if you're going to be attaching a specific way, you might have metal feet that you attach these to, so you can have these. Otherwise, you can usually just use screws or lag screws to go right into your 4-inch, maybe your 4x4 posts that you're going to have on your workbench. But these are going to be awesome. Let's see what they roll really good. These are going to be great. Highly recommend. You should definitely check these out.